Hi guys, I come here to warn you about a very serious problem, which can happen due to toenail fungus. I never thought that a fungus-infested toenail could be the beginning of the worst diseases, so I'm here to talk to you about a product that will truly change the fungus game. In the description of this video you will find my trusted website so you don't make a mistake buying adulterated products from non-certified laboratories. This product is called Caravita, is a solution for toenail fungi, and it improves the structure and aspect of your nails and hair. After years of study and research, it was developed with amazing vitamins and plants, like curcumin, cat's claw, garlic, quercetin, pomegranate and olive. The green, stinky appearance of your nails go away after taking this product. The shame of your feet is exchanged for the feeling of using flip-flops in the summer without everybody looking at your feet. I understand the feeling. Drinking this antifungal tonic before 1 p.m. will give you amazing results. Get rid of a fungal infestation on your nails once and for all. I hope I helped. Unfortunately, years of living with nail fungus can lead to very serious consequences. I don't want more people suffering with this problem.